How to redeem Costco Citi Cashback rewards. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can redeem Costco Citi Cashback rewards. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, we will check the cashwords or the rewards balance in Costco. So for that, first of all, you have to open up a browser, then you have to log in into your Citi account online. So head over to citi.com. After that, tap on sign on at the top right, then log in into your account. Once logged in, head over to rewards and benefits section. There, look for Costco Cashback. Now to redeem your Costco Cashback, you have three ways to redeem. You can either redeem cash at Costco. There, you have to bring the reward certification to any Costco warehouse and they will give you cold hard cash. So that's one of the way to redeem your reward at the Costco warehouse. Second, to direct deposit. You have to link your bank account in the Citi portal for the automatic deposit. And the third one, by the mail. Request to check if you would prefer old school banking, so you could check by mail. And the next option is to redeem in store. You can redeem your cash back during checkout at the Costco. So you have to hand your certificate to the cashier and they will deduct it from your total or give you the cash back if you have already paid. So that's the way to redeem your Costco Citi cashback rewards. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.